Are you guys looking for a good tray on wheels? You tired of using the countertop? I know I was, so I got myself a tray with wheels, and now I can't go back. So here's another tray with wheels. This is a nice tray from EliteTattoo.com. You can use code FLOATY15 at checkout to get 15% off. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Let's take a look at the tray. Let's open up the box. One of the wheels, the leg, a few more of those. That's what they all attach to this thing, and some tools and accessories. Ta-ta. And the pole down the middle. All right, I think we got everything out of here. So we have this kind of donut shaped thing here. This is going to be where we attach the legs to and screw in. So I'm just going to find all our tools. I'm going to open up these legs and look at the quality of these things. Seem like they have decent wheels, so that's great. So I just need to attach these here. All right, I'm just going to go around and tighten all these one more time. So these wheels do lock down, which is really nice. So there they all are, all locked down. Now this goes in the top. You have these little short set screws here. We're going to use those to get the base connected to this pole. We've got this all tightened up, and as you can see, it's flush right there with the side of this base. So you just want it to look like that on both sides. Now let's get the top on. Okay, we have the part that is magnetic now in my hand that attaches to the tray. It actually has set screws already in it if you watch the video. So I'm just going to put that on top here. And then I'm going to tighten those set screws. Okay, we got it on there. Let's take a look at the tray. So this is polycarbonate PC material. As you can see, it is kind of a deep smoky color tray, not completely see-through, but somewhat transparent. We're gonna attach this to the top here. Snaps right on. Now we have those last two screws. Okay, once it's aligned right, it will screw in. So you got them both in there. All right, we did it. We made this tray. It's amazing. Take a look at it. Looks like a good tray. Should we go roll it around on the ground? Here is the tray in action. Look at it roll. Oh, wow, that's super smooth. Got a really nice smooth roll to it. If we want to raise this up, we just loosen this thing here. Lift that up. And close that ring back up. There we go. As you can see, this thing gets pretty tall. I don't think I need it much taller than that if I'm standing. That's at a pretty great height for me. So you can either sit or stand with this Elite Premium Tattoo Tray, and it has a very smooth roll. Just look at it go. As you can see, the Elite Premium Tattoo Tray is an amazing tool that would look beautiful in your studio. If you want to get your 15% off, don't forget to use code FLOATY15. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Bye. Thank you. Bye.